Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Brittany, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my way of cream contouring and doing contouring with powder. So I figured I would do it all in one video and just do half and half. You know, this side's the cream and this side's the powder. I don't think you could really tell the difference because I can't, but I just really thought this was fun, and you know, just thought I'd throw out my version of how to do this. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so first I have my eyes already done, but everything else is not. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some primer on. And first one I'm using is One Heck of a Blot. So I rub this in just in like my T-zone area, but mainly just right here because that's where I really need it. And I'm gonna go in now with my LA Girl Pro Prep HD Defining Smoothing Face Primer, and I'm just going to add just a little bit. This one is my second time trying this already. I don't know how I feel about it just yet because I really hate silicone feeling primers, and that is what this one is. But the only thing different about it than most is, at least for me, I feel that it's absorbing pretty quick and it's not leaving like where it seems like it's gonna slip around a lot. Like, I remember when I tried the baby skin primer, oh, I hated it so bad. And because it also reminded me of the Bare Minerals, can't think of the name right now, but I'll pop it up here somewhere. But I used to try that one and I hated it, but I just ended up using it still. But no, this one I'm giving it a shot a lot more because I'm on the fence with it right now. It doesn't feel bad. So right now I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Defining Longwear Illuminating Foundation. And it's funny because I tried this out today also, and I was wondering like why my skin looked dewier than, you know, as if I was really oily. I just read the full label that it's illuminating, so that is definitely explaining why, because I'm like, I'm not greasy really, and so it was funny, but now I figured it out. Anyways, I'm in the shade Porcelain, and I'm just going to pop a little bit on the back of my hand and dab all over. And it's funny because I am normally drawn more for matte foundations. I don't really go for the dewy, but then again, I'm not saying that I hate the dewy because my skin's combo, so I mainly just get oily here, but you know, I feel like throughout the years now I could figure out how to maintain that, but I've never really gave dewy foundations enough of a try to say that I hate it, you know, but who knows, I think I might be into it, I'm not too sure. So anyways, now that I realized that this was illuminating foundation, and it wasn't me just being oily, it didn't look bad, you know, it just looked like I was really highlighted, you know, but anyways, it wasn't bad at all. So I'm gonna do half of my face doing the cream, and then I'm going to do the other half doing the powder. So first I'm going to go in with the LA, and a lot of this stuff is from LA Girl because my CVS finally put all of it in there, and so now that I was able to give it a shot, I'm going to be having a bit of it. So anyways, I'm going to go into their cream contour palette, and I'm in the shade Fair. So I'm going to grab a concealer brush And then I'm gonna do the light side first. And I'll be doing this on both sides. And this one was okay for me. It just feels like it's still a little in between, like a thick and dry kind of feel, but that is just me. But I'm not gonna say like it's horrible, you know, it's definitely workable. But I'm gonna be doing this on both sides. Everything's gonna be the same except the contour. And I do like to put a lot, so if you do not, then obviously just put the amount you feel comfortable with. I just am a full coverage kind of girl, so I'm definitely going to stick to doing that. But again, if there's like a video you guys want me to do where it's just very light and simple, just go ahead and put it in the comments below, and I will definitely try to do that look for you guys. Okay, so I'm debating if I want to use this one on top. You know, I am. Since I already tried this earlier today alone, I want to try it with this one because I've never tried this one. I know, shocker, but again, I'm in the shade Porcelain, which I'm not liking the shade. Oh well, but we'll just see what happens with it. I mean, it doesn't look bad on camera, really, but on here, it looks a little more yellower, like a yellower peach here, but it's not bad. I'm not gonna sit here and say it's horrible, so I take that comment back. I do not hate it. Okay, like I said, it looks like a lot, and it is, but again, put it to whatever liking you would prefer. And then I'm going to go in with the darker shade. And I also have another one in the tube that I want to try also. So I'm going to be adding that on top. But I'm going to blend this side out first right now, just because I'm not doing any contouring on this side with the cream. Okay, so now that that's somewhat blended out, I just don't want to do too much right now. I'm going to be going into Toffee, just because, again, I'm curious to see, which, okay, it is a tad bit darker, but we'll see how I like it. Okay, so blending the lighter part out right now first. Kind of forgot one little area. It's gonna look kind of weird, huh? I just wanna add more, and then of course going back into the other one just to make it all even. Now that came out a lot. Anyways, So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and I'm gonna blend all that part out. And then now we're just going to blend everything together. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro powder, the setting powder in banana yellow. And I'm going to just set this under my eyes and all the other parts that we did the concealer. I'm going to use a regular setting powder. And for the setting powder, I'm going to put that over the contour that we did on that side because I feel like it kind of tones it down, and then when you compared to when you're going in with the bronzer powder, I just feel like it's still not set for me all the way. I don't know, maybe it's just because it's like a habit of mine that I just like to set everything and then do the bronzer, but it's whatever you prefer, it's fine. But for me, I just have to set it still. I'm going to now do the bronzer. First, let me take that off. Okay. So we're going into the bronzer. I'm just using the natural bronzer from Rimmel London. And then bronze everywhere. And then when it comes to the part that we did the cream contour with, I still like to just tap majority of the bronzer anyways, because I just don't want it moving, since we do have a lot more creamier products under. I just don't want it moving a bunch. Just bronze everywhere else. Now I'm going to go in and contour. I'm just using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in Dulce de Leche, and just go in and contour on this side. And then now I'm just going to contour my nose. And then what I like to do, since it's almost the same color, I'm just getting that tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to highlight a bit more under. I like to go over the nose anyways, just to really make sure everything is blended. so then for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Pearlescent Pink from Wet n Wild. It looks like that. And just put very little. Okay, for highlights, I'm just going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in that glow, and I'm just using those three. We'll put that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and you know, you get to see which side you liked better or which one you prefer to do over the other. But yeah, I really hope it helped you guys out. I like both. You know, I've been more into wanting to do the cream side because I've been doing powder for a while, but I wanted to jump into the cream to start doing that again. But yeah, with all that being said, just give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if there's anything else you want me to try, or you guys want me to try a certain product. You guys know the drill, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.